How to post a YouTube video link on BlueSky. Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. In this video, we're gonna learn how we can post a YouTube video link on BlueSky. So without any delay, let's start with the process on how we can do so. But before that, don't forget to hit that like, share, and subscribe icon. So in order to post a YouTube video link, we're just gonna simply go on with the process on how we normally post on BlueSky application. But before that, we're just gonna head over to the YouTube application in order to copy the YouTube link. For example, this one right here. I'm just gonna pause the video for now. After that, here you can find this share option under that video. You may just select any of the video that you want. I'm just gonna copy the link. You may also copy the link. After that, here you just need to come over to the BlueSky application back again and go on with the process on how you normally post. On your home screen, you can find the pen icon. Just tap on it. After that, you're just gonna long press and paste it. Paste the link here, and here you can see the link has been applied. You may just simply tap on post. After that is done, just wait for about a minute and your YouTube video link should be posted onto your profile. You may just head over to your profile and you can see the link has been successfully posted on your account. When you click on the link, you'll be redirected towards the app, or you may just go to one of the browser in order to watch the video. So therefore, you may also follow the same process in order to post a YouTube video link onto your BlueSky account. So I hope this video was helpful to you, and thank you for watching this video.